Hello friends, in previous lecture we discussed the preparation of carboxylic acids, in which we discussed first by hydrolysis of ester, it having two types, acid hydrolysis and alkali hydrolysis. Then we discussed the carbonation of Grignard reagent, and after that we focus on the reactions of carboxylic acids, in which the Hale-Hullard-Zielinski reaction, it is nothing but the halogenation of aliphatic acids. And lastly, we discuss the ring substitution in aromatic acids. Up to this, we cover in previous lecture. Now, in today's lecture, we will start the remaining part of carboxylic acid and their derivative. This is lecture number 6. Okay, next point, derivatives of carboxylic acids. So, in today's lecture, we discuss the derivatives of carboxylic acids. Friends, the important class of organic compound is known as the alcohol, then phenol, ether, amines, and halides. These are the important a class of organic compounds, and it consists of alkyl and aryl groups is bonded to hydroxyl group or the alkoxy, amino, and halo substituent respectively. Now, if these same functional groups are attached to an acyl group, that means the R C double bond O CH3 groups. It is called as an acyl groups, and their properties are changed, and they are designated as carboxylic acid derivative. That means here only the R part will be the change. Now then, here there are some examples carboxylic acid derivatives. First, this is the structure of carboxylic acid. That means R C double bond OH. This is called as carboxylic acids. Now then, here the R C double bond O, this part is same. Only here X. That means here acid halide. This is the structure of acid halide, and here X is equal to, it may be the chlorine, bromine. Okay, this is acid halides. Next, derivatives, acid anhydride. Here R C double bond O, oxygen, C double bond O R dash. This is the structure of acid anhydride. Now then, ester. Here R C double bond O O R dash. This is the structure of ester molecules. Now the next, amide. Amide, that means R C double bond O NH2. Now then, thioester. R C double bond O S R dash. And last one, acyl phosphonate. Acyl phosphate, that is R C double bond O P double bond O minus, here again O minus, or O R dash. This is a derivatives of carboxylic acid. Derivatives of carboxylic acid, that means this is the actual structure of carboxylic acid. Only this part will be changed. That means that instead of this hydroxyl group, we add, suppose X, it is acid halide. If we take this OC double bond OR dash, this is acid anhydride. Now then, if it is OR, then ester. If it is NH2, then amide. If it is SR, then thioester. In this way, we prepare the derivatives of carboxylic acid. Now then, next point is the nomenclature of acid derivatives. The names are derived from the corresponding carboxylic acids. That means here the in table is aliphatic and this for aromatic. Here CH3 C double bond OH. This is called as the acetic acids or ethanoic acids. Simple, two carbon here, acetic acids. Here C double bond OH, that means carboxylic acid, and here CH3 C double bond OH, that means acetic acids. And here instead of this hydroxyl group, if we replace this by chlorine, here we get the acetyl chloride. Now in case of aromatic carboxylic acid, here C6H5 C double bond OH, that means this is benzoic acids, and if we replace this OH by Cl, we get the benzoyl chloride. This is a simple nomenclature for the carboxylic acid derivative. Another example here in aliphatic, here CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is called as acetic anhydride. If the linkage are in this way, CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3 is called as acetic anhydride. Now then, another example in aliphatic, here CH3 C double bond O NH2. It is called as the acetamide. Name of this compound, it is called acetamide. And last one is here CH3 C double bond O C2H5. It's called as the ethyl acetate. This acetate group, this ethyl acetate. This is about the for aliphatic. Now then for aromatic, here C6H5 C double bond O C double bond O C6H5. It is called as benzoic anhydride. This part is anhydride group. Therefore, this is benzene. Therefore, benzoic anhydride. Another, instead of here CH3, here we take C6H5. That means the aromatic ring. C6H5 C double bond NH2. It is called as benzamide. Again here C6H5 C double bond O C2H5. It is called as ethyl benzoate. These are the nomenclature of carboxylic acid derivatives. So friend, never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.